Question number 111. Read the following statements and choose the option which is true for them. Statement 1. During conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid in Krebs cycle, one molecule of FAD is synthesized. Statement 2. There are 3 steps in Krebs cycle where CO2 is released. First option, only statement 1 is correct. Second, only statement 2 is correct. Third, both the statements 1 and 2 are correct. Fourth, both the statements 1 and 2 are incorrect. Read one by one. During conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid in Krebs cycle, one molecule of FAD is synthesized. No. During the conversion of succinic acid to fumaric acid, FAD is reduced to FADH2. So FADH2 is synthesized, not the FAD. So this statement is incorrect. Second, there are 3 steps in Krebs cycle where CO2 is released. No, there are 2 steps in the Krebs cycle where CO2 is released. Why? Because acetyl coenzyme A enters into the Krebs cycle, which is a 2-carbon compound. It contains 2 carbons. When there is complete oxidation of acetyl coenzyme A, obviously 2 molecules of CO2 can be released, not the 3 molecules of CO2. So this statement is also incorrect. So both the statements are incorrect. So the correct option for the given question is option number 4. Let's move to the next question. Question number 112. When tripalmitin is used as substrate in respiration, the value of RQ is found to be less than 1 because first option, it contains less number of carbon atoms than oxygen atoms. Second, the amount of CO2 evolved is more than the amount of O2 consumed. Third, the amount of O2 consumed is more than the amount of CO2 evolved. Fourth, the ratio of the numbers of carbon and hydrogen atoms in this molecule is not 1:2. First of all, you should know the molecular formula of tripalmitin is a fat, and its molecular formula is C51, H98 and O6. This is the molecular formula of tripalmitin. Now see the options. It contains less number of carbon atoms than oxygen atoms. No, it has more carbon atoms as compared to the oxygen atoms. As you can see in the formula, carbon atoms are 51 as compared to the oxygen, which are 6. So this option is ruled out. Fourth, the ratio of the numbers of carbon and hydrogen atoms in this molecule is not 1:2. It is approximately 1:2. So this option is also ruled out. Now, second, the amount of CO2 evolved is more than the amount of O2 consumed. No. Why? Because the RQ is less than 1, which is 0.7. And when it can be less than 1, RQ is 0.7 when it is possible when denominator is high, means the oxygen consumed should be high as compared to CO2 evolved. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question. Question number 113. In a flowering plant, if auxins are not synthesizing, then effects which would most probably be seen in this plant are: first, dropping of fruits at early stage. Second, inhibition in the growth of lateral buds. Third, delayed abscission of older mature leaves. Fourth, inhibition of cell division in cambium. First option, first, second and fourth. Second, first, third and fourth. Third, second and fourth only. Fourth, first and third only. Auxins. What are the functions of auxins? Auxins control abscission of fruits at early stage. If auxins are not synthesizing, there will be dropping of fruits at the early stage. So there, this will be there. Second, inhibition in the growth of lateral buds. No. If auxins are present, they promote apical dominance, means they inhibit the growth of lateral buds. If auxins are not synthesized, then there will be promotion of growth of lateral buds. There will be no inhibition. So this will be not there. Third, delayed abscission of older mature leaves. Yes. Auxins promote abscission. If auxins are not there, they will delay the abscission. Fourth, inhibition of cell division in cambium. Yes, it is also true. Why? Because auxin promotes cell division in cambium. If auxin is not present, it will inhibit the cell division in cambium. So, first, third and fourth. So, the correct option for the given question is option number 2. Let's move to the next question. Question number 114. Lettuce hypocotyle elongation test is performed for bioassay of first option gibberellin, second ethylene, third cytokinin, fourth ABA. Lettuce hypocotyle elongation test. Gibberellins is responsible for the elongation of the aerial part or the aerial stem. So lettuce hypocotyle elongation test is performed for the bioassay of gibberellins. So the correct option for the given question is option number 1. Let's move to the next question. Question number 115. Leaves of which of the following plants are involved in vegetative reproduction? First option opentia, second potato, third bryophyllum, fourth sugarcane. In opentia, potato and sugarcane, the stem is involved in the vegetative reproduction, not the leaf. So these options are ruled out. Now what about the bryophyllum? Bryophyllum has leaves which help in vegetative reproduction as they have leaf buds. So the correct option for the given question is option number 3. Let's move to the next question.